Okay, this is probably, by the looks of it, a much older door closer, tensioner thing, whatever you call it. Clarksdale, Mississippi. Can't quite read that. Anyway, this is in a building that's from the early 70s. I kind of doubt this is original, but anyway, living right across from the trash room, I was listening to this constantly. Really loud. So I looked online trying to figure out how to adjust this, and most of them you would expect to see some adjustments with an Allen wrench here or further back with a couple of screws. Well, that's not the case with this one. So after looking at it for a while, I realized this was a little different. This one actually has a single screw right here, flat-bladed screw. So it doesn't take much to adjust it. It goes straight up and down. If I turn it horizontal, door won't shut. You can see the door doesn't shut. So this does not take very much adjustment at all, and probably over time it just got out of adjustment. So I just turn it about there. And now, nice and quiet. In this next scene, I'll show you from the outside how it sounded before and after the adjustment. Now that may or may not sound really obnoxious on the video, but especially late at night in a cement building, it's really loud.